Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix are you a human verification error on Discord. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first step is to make sure your Discord application is up to date. So on my iPhone device, I'll just go to my iOS App Store, and then I'm gonna search for Discord here, and then I'm just gonna click on Discord and click on update. So as you can see guys, my Discord application is not up to date. You can do the same on an Android phone or computer or laptop device and make sure your Discord application is up to date. The second step is to make sure you're not using any VPN software, because if you use it, it might cause problems in your Discord app. It might give you are you a human error on Discord. So make sure you have done that, and make sure you have verified your email on Discord. So just go to settings, go to account, and make sure your email is verified properly like this. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.